Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you how to remove or replace front wheel speed sensor, also known as ABS sensor. Now, quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our mission guys here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video for all the work we do and all the free information that we provide to you guys. It takes quite a bit of time. If you guys want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can purchase all your parts that you need for your car guys for a super good price and fast shipping as well. Let's go ahead and start on the front ABS wheel speed sensor replacement now. So whether you're working on the right side or the front right or front left, procedure is practically the same guys. So what we need to do, we need to remove if you have a wheel hubs, okay, covers, wheel covers, go ahead, remove them. You get those plastic nuts loose, remove it. If you have aluminum wheels, you just keep to that step. Right now we're going to get the lug nuts loose. Okay, we'll have to go ahead and pull the emergency brake guys. Have the car in park, if it's automatic, manual, okay, put it in first or reverse. Usually consult your manual how to do that, but you can use guys tire shocks. They're the devices that you put behind the rear tire so the car doesn't roll anywhere on you. So we're going to get those loose. Okay, while we're doing that actually, okay, let me show you what a tire shock means. And okay, we have another plate here. That's it. That's guys the device I'm talking about. You just put it behind your tires. Okay, and what's going to happen? You should put two of those, one on the front, one on the rear side of the tire, and when you place them, the car cannot roll on you. So I recommend to have 4 of these, 2 on each rear tires when you're working on the front end of your car. Do that only on level ground. Don't do it guys on a slope, because it can easily fall off the jack or the jack stand. So we're going to jack it up now. And we'll get a jack stand. Always use that jack stands, otherwise what could happen guys, if that jack fails, the car will fall on you. So if you're super lucky, you might survive, you may get hurt, you may get killed if you're unlucky. It really depends guys, but you have to be extremely careful and always think twice when you do that stuff. Okay, so you can see we're lifting it up now, coming off the ground. Okay, now we're going to install the jack stand. Perfect, make sure that it's good. Now what we'll do, we'll just remove the lug nuts all the way. First we just got them barely loose to where they can go by hand. Then we'll remove the wheel and we'll get to the suspension. Okay, we're almost there. Perfect. Now we're going to take the wheel off guys. Okay, pretty heavy wheel. And what we're going to do, we'll actually put it under the car. Okay, just in case if something goes wrong, if it falls, at least it will fall on the wheel. So once you guys remove the wheel, okay, let me explain where your ABS sensor is located. Check out on the back side of the hub, this is guys your ABS sensor right there. So we need to get that bolt loose now. Okay, this is with the reverse, with the Torx. Okay, I'm trying to focus here. Torx 30 star looking bit, perfect. Now we'll go ahead, try to remove that bolt. Okay, it's a little bit of a limited room. I'm trying my best to come here. Perfect, just like that. So remove that bolt all the way now guys. Now it's important to grab the sensor and don't twist it left or right, just pull straight up, it comes out. If it's stuck, spray penetrating oil and it should come out. Now see where it goes on the suspension, on the control arm. Okay, it has one clip right there that we need to get loose. Okay, let me see. Okay, came loose, guys. Perfect. Now we have one towards the front. Okay, right there. Two of them actually. Well, one, just one, I think. So open it then. Okay, or pull it out like that. And one back there. Two of them. Perfect. What do we need to do next, guys? Okay, we need to route the sensor this way. Now, that clip right here, we need to remove it. This one, ours has a center piece that you unscrew, or it might be a one that you push out, guys. It really depends. Get that clip out. Perfect. Now, if we pull that piece out, okay, now I'm trying to, okay, come on this side too. Okay, get more room. Let me show you what we have now, guys. Okay, right there is where the connector is for the ABS sensor. Let me position the light. Okay, like that. Perfect. Now, checking this way, guys. This is, okay, where that connector is. So, from that point on, okay, all we have to do now, guys, disconnect that thing. But, okay, let me show you. So, this one, we will be able to slide it forward. This is a clip. But what we will need to do, let me get a small screwdriver and I'll show you how to do that. So let me show you guys what we did. Okay, with a clip remover tool, I just push that one out, grab this one, pull it out as well. Now all we have to do, okay, we need to disconnect the wire, guys. So let us explain you guys how to do that now. Okay, it's on the other side. Okay, press in, pull out. Okay, pull. Perfect. And that ABS speed wheel sensor, guys, came out. That's how you remove it. If you need to buy a new one, guys, you can find the link in the description of the video below. Putting it together practically is in reverse order. We took it apart. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please, guys, subscribe to our channel for more videos and see you guys next time.